When teams search for a smarter way to automate projects, two names usually rise to the top: ClickUp and Motion. Both promise to save time, reduce manual tasks, and put your work on autopilot. But the way they approach automation feels very different. One focuses on building a powerful all-in-one workspace, while the other uses artificial intelligence to schedule your day for you. Choosing the right tool depends on how much structure you want and how your team prefers to work. Let's start with ClickUp. ClickUp is a full project management system built for teams that want flexibility. It allows you to manage tasks, documents, whiteboards, goals, forms, and dashboards all in one place. The strength of ClickUp comes from how customizable it is. You can design workflows for any use case, whether you manage marketing campaigns, engineering sprints, client projects, or internal operations. One of ClickUp's biggest advantages is automation. You can create rules that assign tasks, update statuses, trigger reminders, and move work through your pipeline automatically. These rules help teams eliminate repetitive steps and maintain consistency. For growing teams that juggle many projects at once, ClickUp's automation keeps everything organized without requiring constant oversight. Now, let's talk about Motion. Motion takes a very different approach. Instead of focusing on project structures, Motion focuses on your time. It uses artificial intelligence to plan your day automatically. You enter your tasks, deadlines, meetings, and priorities, and Motion builds your schedule for you. If something changes, it rearranges everything instantly. For busy teams and founders, this feels like having a smart assistant managing your calendar. Motion also manages team projects, but it does so through time allocation rather than complex task boards. It assigns tasks to team members based on availability and urgency. This helps prevent burnout by balancing workloads automatically. Instead of wondering who should do what, Motion creates a schedule for everyone that adapts in real time. So which tool is the smartest project automation suite? If you need a customizable system that manages every part of your work, choose ClickUp. If you want an intelligent assistant that builds your daily plan and keeps your team on track without manual effort, choose Motion. Both tools aim to automate work, but the right one depends on whether you want automated workflows or automated schedules.